What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Vechain, currently sitting at 0.048. We're up 3% on the day. Market cap 3.94 billion. 24 volume 97 million. So if we hop into the chart, we're looking for a leading diagonal. So far that's playing out off the recent low here. Oh, did that create a lower low? Yeah, it looks like it did. It looks like it did. But if we zoom in, let me go to the 1 hour chart. La-di-da. Yeah, so you have wave 1 right here. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Just putting in wave 5, probably push up to resistance of about 0.050. Complete the first 5 wave move, pull back, continuation. Of course, it can just shoot up at any time, but you are looking for that first 5 wave move off the low. And now that's what we're seeing. So that's a good sign that this pullback is finished for our friend Vet. And we'll look to complete this leading diagonal, which can take you up to about 0.064. And if we pop over to look at the daily time frame off the bear market low, I'm also looking at a leading diagonal. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, 3, 4, looking to push up in the 5. And that could take you all the way up to about 0.09 before pulling back and continuation back to the upside. Will Vet reach $1 this bull run? It might, but I think anything above 50 cents will be completely gravy, as we came all the way down, almost dropped below 1 cent on the bear market low. So off that to 50 cents is a 50x, but we'll have to see how everything plays out for Vet. But in the short term, we're pushing up in our first 5 waves. So I do think we're going to start to push up in this wave 5 up towards 0.064 on the 4 hour time frame, and zooming out, look for a push all the way up to about 0.09. But of course, that will take time. We're currently in 4 trades right now that are in profits. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. For a limited time, when you deposit $1,000 into your futures account, you get a $200 trading bonus. However, you do not have to do that to gain access to my group. You just have to take 30 seconds, sign up, send me email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects. My exact crypto trade setups, 4 trades going on right now. My 4x signals, you can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profit. Definitely $50 to $100 a month value, in my opinion. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. Send me email. One of the best deals on YouTube, in my opinion. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.